Hey guys, I'm Jeff with Westcott Designs and Westcott BUILT. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we've got some exciting news for you. For all of our local customers, what we're going to do is we're going to price match any of our competitors here locally to us, and we want to share that with you, an opportunity. We're a world premiere facility, and we get people to come in from all over the country. We're blessed to have these people driving from all over to allow us to work on their vehicles. What we want to do is we want to bring in some more of those local people that do not get to experience that. So what we're going to do is we don't want you to feel like the underdog. We want you to feel like we're welcoming you and we're here for you, and we're going to give you the same experience to our facility, get to see all the things that these other people get to experience and share it together. We do all makes and all models here at our shop from start to finish. If you want to bring in your own parts, you're more than welcome to. We do have full parts department here for on-hand parts, tires, wheels, shocks, suspension, coilovers, you name it, we can make it happen. Our main focus here at our company is our quality and our attention to detail. We take things to the next level. If something we don't like when we're installing it, a lot of times we'll just redesign it and make it for the consumer, the customer, to take those extra steps, not to just put a part on that doesn't belong on that vehicle, but then to do something that is for that customer that makes it a little bit more special. And we know that that part is going to integrate well with what we're doing for them. Again, we are price matching our competitors here in the Valley, and we want to give that to you as an opportunity to take advantage of. Feel free to call one of our build specialists here within the shop. They'd love to hear from you, and they'd love to tailor things to make it work for you to make your perfect build.